eh.
Ito magpapa-excite sa mga chatters natin para sa Thanksgiving, upcoming Thanksgiving concert nyo. Okay. Kumbaga, inaali mo sa mga libo-libo nyong fans na naka-online ngayon.
Nahihiya ko. Wait lang.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Let It Go by Janela Salvador.
Yeah!
May pagganyan.
The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I've tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care. Wait, what's the song? What they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway.